Oh, we've all seen wood heater installations like this. Cobwebs in the drop box, wind echoing down the flue, and don't even get me started about the water damage to the top of this wood heater. All because the flume's been moving in the wind. Externally, it's an absolute disgrace. Look at the amount of guide wires they've needed to use to install this. So today, we're going to start again. We're going to do it right. We're going to remove the old triple skin flue kit, and we're going to install Pivot's insulated room seal flue kit. Now, this all stainless steel flue kit twist locks together means I can get a dead straight flue from the top of the heater right to the top of the cowl. Now I need to brace it, so internally I'm going to use 2 of these heavy duty brackets to give maximum support. Now externally, I've still got to get that flue to the right height. Now to do that, I'm going to need some brackets. These adjustable braces, all stainless steel, give a much more solid installation, and more importantly, no more wind noise through those guide wires. Bit of a touch-up paint at the top of the wood heater, and how much better does this look? A proper professional installation. There's going to be no more leaks, 90% quieter for the homeowner, and this insulated flue kit comes with a 7-year warranty. Now, if you're like me, you're a plumber, and you want to put a good installation in, check out Pivot's insulated room seal flue kit. Do the job once, do it right.